Welcome to this quick guide on DeepSeek. In this video, we'll cover the basics of DeepSeek and walk you through a simple installation on a local Linux system. Whether you're just starting with DeepSeek or looking for a fast installation guide, this video has you covered. Let's get started. These commands help you install Ollama, which is required to run DeepSeek. The first command installs curl, and the second downloads and runs the Ollama installation script. You can find the link to the page listing all the installation commands in the video description for reference. While we wait for the installation, let's quickly cover the basics of DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a tool designed for running machine learning models efficiently, particularly for tasks like natural language processing. Running it locally has several advantages, including enhanced data privacy since your information stays on your device, no reliance on internet connectivity, and faster performance for large models. However, keep in mind that running locally requires sufficient system resources such as memory and CPU power, which may be a limitation for older hardware. Overall, it's a great solution for privacy-conscious users who want full control over their machine learning workflows. The next step is to download the DeepSeek R1 model you want to use. DeepSeek models come in different sizes, balancing speed and accuracy based on your hardware. Larger models like the 7B model provide better reasoning and accuracy but require more RAM, VRAM, and disk space. Once the download begins, it may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. While the model downloads, let's talk about the various DeepSeek models and how to choose the right one for your needs. DeepSeek offers models of different sizes such as 1.5B, 7B, and beyond. Smaller models like the 1.5B are faster and require fewer system resources, making them ideal for lightweight tasks or older hardware. Larger models like the 7B provide better accuracy and reasoning but require more RAM, VRAM, and disk space, so ensure your system meets the requirements before downloading. When deciding which model to use, consider your use case. For quick tasks or casual use, smaller models are sufficient. For more complex tasks, like detailed analysis or reasoning-heavy work, larger models are recommended. Keep in mind that larger models also take longer to load and process, so balance performance and accuracy based on your needs. You can list all your downloaded models using Ollama list command. To start, run the command Ollama run followed by the name of the model. Let's keep it simple and say hello to test the model. Since we're running this in a virtual machine with limited resources, the response speed may be slower than on a machine with higher specs. When you're done, type bye to exit the session. Did you know that DeepSeek is designed to work seamlessly with various machine learning models and can even be fine-tuned for specific tasks? It's also open source, making it an excellent tool for developers and researchers looking for flexibility and customization. This concludes the installation of DeepSeek. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. See you next time.